Hi, I'm Katie Halcrow with Power Up Prep, and I'm super excited today to take you through some tips and strategies to help you power up your ACT. If this is your first time with us, first, welcome. Second, check out the link below. There, you're going to find the ACT questions and the note sheets that you can do along with these videos. All right, so let's get those materials together, and we're going to be ready to power up. Okay, so we just went through the big three, which are super important. They appear on the test for grammar questions all the time, so you definitely want to know about them. Another thing that you want to know is the imaginary number 4 of the big three, because if none of those big three are present in an answer choice, so for example, if there's a period, you try that first. If they're not there, then you go to colons. If they're not there or they don't work, then you go to comma hugs. But if none of those are there and they don't work, then what we do is we go to simple is best. This is one of the rules that I call my golden rules because they're so important. There are so many simple is best questions on the test because what the test wants is for you to say things in the simplest form as possible and not be redundant. So people think the simple is best rule is too simple. They're like, oh, this answer can't possibly be right because it's just too simple. It's not. The simple is best rule is so simple that it's just perfect, but people think it's too simple to be perfect. But anyway, okay, here's the simple is best rule. Without further ado, the simple is best rule is as long as it is grammatically correct. So we're talking about grammar questions on the simple is best rule. So it has to be grammatically correct. But as long as it is grammatically correct, you always choose the answer with number 1, fewest words, number 2, fewest commas, or number 3, the easiest phrasing to understand. So you want to choose fewest words, fewest commas, or easiest phrasing to understand when you're looking at a question. So if you're looking at a question and one of the answer choices has like 7 words, one of the answer choices has 5 words, one has 3, and one has 1, you try the answer choice with 1 word first. Because if it works, if it's grammatically correct, that's your answer. And it's that easy. All right, let's try it. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. We love to hear from you. Also, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of our curriculum or other tips and tricks that can help you power up your ACT.